make or break, get Toy Bits. Ito yung sinasabi ko po sa inyo, no? Tumagos na ha. Ayan yun ha. Yung blue tumagos na dun sa yellow line. Ang sabi natin, kailangan natin tawirin yung yellow line. Hindi pa natin tinatawid. Kaya hindi pa tayo out of the woods. Okay? Pag mamaya po, makakita tayo ng strong rejection dyan. Again, our theory is Bitcoin will consolidate this level between 54 to 60K level. Dribble tayo dyan. Probably buong August, buong September. Makita natin na mag-dribble yan dyan. Alright? Another thing, marami na po ako naririnig. Sabi nyo, dito ano po ba yung death cross? Okay? Ito po yung sinasabi nilang death cross. Lagyan natin ng moving average. Yung MA50, gagawin kong white yan. Alright? Input natin na 50. Crossing the 200, which is our yellow. Alright? Ayun po. White line is crossing the yellow line. So, yan po yung death cross na tinatawag. Okay? Yan po yung death cross. So, kung tatanungin nyo, nag-death cross na ba? Opo, ayan na po. Nangyari na po. Nag-death cross na po. Usually, bearish sign yan. Ha? Ngayon, kung hindi natin ma-dedicate yan, hindi nga natin kayang tawirin itong 200, so napaka-crucial nito. So, most likely, at the very least, tutulak tayo pababa ulit. Ngayon, kung magtutuloy-tuloy yan, hindi na natin mababawi ang death cross na yan, kasi nangyari na po yan, majority of the time, sa bear market, kita natin yung death cross sa bear market. Ayan po, death cross. Bear market, 2022, January. Ayun. Hindi na tayo nakabalik. Pero, nag-death cross din tayo, Ang bull market, ito po yon. 2023, right? Nag-death cross tayo, nag-cross, pero nakabalik tayo. So, titignan natin ngayon. Okay, hindi ibig sabihin. Okay, kaya yung iba, sabi, ay, bear market na, nag-death cross na. Sell na ako. Ayoko na. It's okay. Again, it's okay. Bakit po? I like that kasi may conviction. Okay, hindi yung basta-basta nakikinig lang sa iba. Kung plan mo talaga, pag nag-death cross, magti-take profit ka, na magsisell ka, you're out of the market, that's good. Because you followed your plan. Right? Hindi yung pagka, ay, death cross na, sabi ko na, dapat pala, nag-cut na ako, dapat pala, lumabas na ako, death cross talaga yun eh. Ngayon, the market will just tell you if you're right or you're wrong. If you are wrong, umakyat yung market, what are you going to do? You just buy it back. Kung halimbawa, ganito yung ginawa, then you just buy it back. Of course, malulugi ka ng kaunti. Pero paakyat yung market eh. Kung aakyat pa yung market, gusto mo ba maiwan? Saan ka bibili? Dun sa tuktok. So kung tama ka naman at death cross ka, tumuloy-tuloy, di wala ka ng taya. You're safe. Mark as safe.